Hey, this is your girl, Pinky! Pinky! P-I-N-K-Y! And it's time for Pinky's Entertainment, a YouTube channel providing pure fun, enjoyment, and laughter. Yup, you got that right. Pinky!
Hey, it's your girl, Pinky, P-I-N-K-Y, and I'm so fun. And today, Pink Panthers, I'm going to teach you guys how to sign Thanksgiving signs, okay? Now, if you guys watch my Vlogtober Day 5 on the Pinky channel, I taught you guys how to sign Halloween signs. Like, I taught you the signs for Halloween. Now, I'm about to teach you the signs for Thanksgiving signs, okay? Now, happy Thanksgiving. Clearly, by the time you guys see this video, Thanksgiving been passed. But still, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. And yeah, so I'm going to teach you guys how to sign Thanksgiving signs in ASL, okay? But before I start this video, make sure you drop it like it's hot on that like button. Make sure you get low in the comment section. Make sure you shake it like the salt shaker on the subscribe button. And turn on your post notification bell so you know when my next video is going to be here, okay? You guys, it's very important that you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so YouTube can push my videos into the algorithm more. And go into the comments and you're going to scan to the right and you're going to see the hype notification. The more you guys press that, the more that YouTube is definitely going to push my videos to the algorithm, okay? Please help a sister out because I am a small YouTuber. I'm not the biggest YouTuber on the platform. Let's get to it. Now, the first sign is Thanksgiving. So the first sign is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. So this is the sign for turkey. So you can say it's a G, but really it's a Q. And you put it, maybe I do this because this is my dominant. So this is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Or you could say Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. I like this sign better. Thanksgiving. So you could do Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving. The next sign is family. Family. So you get the letter F, and you do it backwards. So it's family. Family. Then the next sign is friends. Friends. So you get your two index fingers and you cross them. So this is friends. Next is Indian/Native American. So it's Indian. Indian. You get the letter F finger. You put it on your cheek and you go up. So it's Indian or Native American. Indian. Next is pilgrim. So you get the you get the two P's and you pilgrim. So you cross up. Cross up. So this is pilgrim. Pilgrim. Next is share. So you get two B's. So you get your non-dominant hand and you get your dominant hand and you share it around. So this is share. Share. Okay. Next is get together. So you get together. Come on. We're family. Get together. Let's eat this food. Get together. It's a get together. Okay. Next is cook. So you get your non-dominant hand and you cook. Cook. You get your hands and you just flip back and forth. Cook. Okay. Next is turkey. Again, so this is turkey. Turkey is just with the chin. You can do it with either hands. My dominant hand is this one. So this is turkey. So this is Thanksgiving, but this is turkey. Turkey. It's like gobble gobble, pretty much. Next is pie. So it's pie. So you get your non-dominant hand, you get your dominant hand, and you cross. Like cutting a pie. This is pie. Next is dessert. You get your two D's, you bounce them together. Dessert. Dessert. Next is potato. 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 So again, you get your non-dominant hand, shape it like a fist. And potato, like two index fingers and just press them. Like mashed potatoes, potatoes. Next is bread. So you get your hand and you do bread. bread. It's like slicing of bread. Bread. Okay? Next is salad. So salad is like, it's like get together, but this is get together. Salad is like tossing a salad. Tossing a salad. So this is salad. Okay? Next is butter. Get your non dominant hand. Butter. You know, it's like you're spreading butter on your bread. Butter. Make sure it's 2 hands and a thumb. And it's like you're brushing. You're putting, you know, putting butter on your bread. Butter. Next is bake. Dang, what was bake? Oh, like this. I'm sorry, y'all. Bake. Bake. So it's like putting it in the oven. Bake. Bake. Next is bless. So you get your 2 fingers, you shape it like an A, and you pull them out. So it's bless. Bless. It's like you're blessing somebody. Bless. Bless. Next is football. 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 So it's football. So you get your 2 hands together. It's like 2 teams or 2 teams battle out and you football. So it's put them together. So it's football. Football. Next is shop. Get your hand and you shop. Shop. It's like you're spraying it around. It's shop. Shop. Next is rest. Rest. You're resting after a long dinner, all that food, you getting full, you want to go to sleep, you want to take a nap, you're just resting. Resting. Next is games. Games. So like how this is dessert with the 2 D's, this is games. You battling out. Games. Games. Next is parade. So you get 2 hands and parade. Like one is like a line. One is going after another. And you guys, and they're marching together. So it's parade. 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 Last but not least is feast. Feast is yum yum yum, rub-a-dub-dub. Feast. Feast. You're eating is feast. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to go over it one more time and then we're done. Let's get into it. So, this is Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving. Then it's family. Family. Then it's friends. Friends. Then it's Indian or Native American. Indian or Native American. Then this is pilgrim. 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 Next is share. Share. You're sharing your food. You're sharing your toys. You're sharing your love. You're sharing. Share. Then you have get together. Get together. Get together. Okay? Then you have cook. Cook. Then you have turkey. Turkey. Then you have pie. Let me cut you a slice of pie. Pie. Then you have dessert. Then you have potato. Then you have bread. Like you're slicing a bread. Then you have salad. Then you have butter. Butter. Then you have bake. Bake. Then you have bless. Bless. Then you have football. Football. Then you have shop. Shop. Then you have rest. Rest. Then you have games. Games. Then you have parade. Parade. Then you have feast. Feast. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like or dislike, thumbs up or thumbs down, comment. Please, Pink Panthers, subscribe. Turn your post notification bell so you know when my next video is going to be here, okay? Follow girl on Facebook at Pinky. That's Pinky space Pinky. And follow two of my Instagrams, one at Show the Pinky and the other at PinkyBear00. And like my saying goes, let's smile, be yourself. Don't worry, be happy, okay? This your girl Pinky, Pinky, and I'm so fly. Make sure you subscribe to The Pinky Show and Mr. Shady. Holla at your girl. Happy Thanksgiving to my Pink Panthers. I just want to say that I am very thankful and grateful to my Pink Panthers, to each and every one of you guys that take the time to watch my video from beginning to end, the full video. I really appreciate you. I'm very grateful and thankful to you guys. I really am. You guys really don't know. And, you know, I hope you guys have amazing holidays, amazing Thanksgiving. Christmas is right around the corner. The New Year's. Then we're back again with another year. But, I really pray and hope that we gain more Pink Panther subscribers, and that both of my channels are successful. And yeah, so I just want you guys to know that this is my gift to you. I'm really thankful and grateful for all you guys. Okay, love you. Holla at your girl.
Hey, this is your girl, Pinky! 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 And it's time for Pinky's Entertainment, a YouTube channel providing pure fun, enjoyment, and laughter. Yup, you got that right.